So this is lesson 12 on, lesson 12. Sorry, just get my microphone right. Very expensive piece of kit this. This is a little microphone here with a hair clip on here, and here we go. Right, operations data. The objective is well remembering what are the objectives of operations management. It's lowering unit costs, improving quality, improving speed of response and flexibility, ensuring dependability, meeting environmental standards, and also adding value. Now, if you can just remember all of those, because if you can do all those things, you're also going to decrease costs, you can charge a higher price for your good, so therefore you're going to make a greater contribution, you're going to add more value, therefore make more money. Right, one of the key figures we have to look at is capacity utilization. And say if capacity utilization goes up from 70% to 90%, that is going to reduce the fixed cost per unit. Reducing fixed cost per unit will also lead to a rise in profit margins. Capacity utilization is equal to actual output divided by maximum output times 100, and then you get a percentage figure out. If you can remember 100%, if you have a 100% figure, maybe that's a little bit too high. Your firm is working too quickly, everybody's getting stressed up. If you're working at say 70%, then you've got too much spare capacity, so you need to be working at a higher level. And if you're working at 40%, then you're not working a lot of your fixed assets, therefore your asset turnover is going to be lower, and therefore you're going to be making less money. Okay, we can also look at up here, supply chain management on here, which is how you deal with all of your supplies all the way along the chain, and whether or not those supplies always add value or not. Lean production, which means no waste, no stocks, no waste. Productivity, which is total output divided by number of workers, and that gives a productivity figure per worker. The higher the productivity, the lower your unit cost, therefore the more money that you make. Labour cost per unit, so drawing up an example here, imagine if 100 workers, 10 workers make 1,000 cars, therefore the output per worker is 100 cars. If on average each of those workers are paid £30,000, then we get a labour cost per unit of £3,000 per car. Quality management, absolutely vital. If you've got good quality, your product lasts for longer, e.g. Volkswagen, Kia, who found problems that nobody would buy their cars, so therefore they gave a 7-year warranty compared to a 3-year warranty. Therefore they then sold loads of cars because it proved that they were confident that they produced cars of good quality. Your service levels are high, therefore you're going to make more money. Your design mix has got to be right. It's all about adding value, isn't it? Your design mix, the aesthetics, the functions, and the economic manufacture that good. Time-based management, how long it takes to deliver your good. Economies of scale, reducing cost per unit. The diseconomies of scale, lowering cost per unit. So if you can achieve that, you can achieve economies of scale, then you're going to produce goods more cheaply. And lastly, you can they might give you things like looking at customer complaints if it goes up. Why is it going up? Maybe because the quality isn't as good. Kaizen groups, how many Kaizen groups have you got? Because they'll give ideas to the firm which may reduce costs, quality issues. So you can look at operations data, and that will also tell you a story about a firm. Thank you.